Welcome around the world to New Zealand's capital city, Wellington, on a beautiful afternoon. Harbour view there, back into the stadium for Game 5 between New Zealand and India. Of course, New Zealand have wrapped up the series. They lead 3-0. There was a tie involved there as well. And the news is that MS Dhoni has won the toss yet again. Hasn't done him much good so far because his team haven't played well enough. But he's asked New Zealand to bat anyway.
Oh, there, it's all changed. Now it's in the crowd. And taken by a man in a hat, but not in an orange T-shirt.
Not perfectly timed either, was it? But it will run away. Should be out, and is out. What a great catch.
Moved quickly. Ryder went hard at it. It was an awkward height.
Get one there. Wasn't perfectly timed. It was aerial, but it found a gap, more importantly, and it did find the fence. Oh, down.
Well, first of all, how did he manage to get so far in front? He was very late, wasn't he? Because he was coming forward into the shot, and that's carried.
Got a hold of that cup too. Quite nicely. Just kept that bat nice and straight. It's rolled over the boundary for 4.
Should be out. Very simple catch. Stopped on the shot, Guptill. Wouldn't say was ever quite at home today, and I think that shot sort of reflected it.
Good shot. Should have enough on it, and indeed it does. Oh, that's a beautiful shot. Just went a little wider of the off stump. And Taylor has cashed in once again. Another delightful shot. Lofts again. And this time he's got more on it. And he beats the fieldsman down at long on. Very wide. And that's straight to the fence as well.
You've got to be careful bowling there to Taylor. You've got to be so very careful. Give him a skerrick of room and he'll make you pay. Good shot. Really good shot. He's been trying to get down the wicket to get to Ash when he does on that occasion. Good shot. This will test the fielder and he won't get there.
Williamson brings up his 5th consecutive 50 of the series. 50 for Ross Taylor, and also the 100-run partnership between Taylor and Williamson. Oh, swept fine. Not the quickest of outfields, but it'll be quick enough. Oh, again, go square this time. That is a fantastic shot. Oh, gets that one away, Williamson. It was dragged down from Coley. Oh, nicely played again. Wow. Is that enough power for you, Craig McMillan?
He's heaved this away. And it's gone for 4. Wrapped away, beautifully done. And it may, yes it will. Oh, a little bit of swing and he's out. So he won't get to the 100. It's gone very fine, and that should go down to the boundary. He missed his line, the bowler, and it's cost them 4 runs. He's got this fine on the other side. And he'll come rushing back for a second run, and that will be 200 for New Zealand in the 39th over. Oh, he's gone hard at this. Now there's a chance in the crowd. They've let it slip again. Oh, I was going to say he found a gap, but a brilliant piece of fielding. Again, a bowl, largely slower bowlers. Here goes McCullum, hard at this one, and has beaten the man. Well, they were always stumbling, he's falling, and he wouldn't have made it.
Let's have a look at this. Never going to be given out that far down, but would have felt like being in one of those nightmare dreams.
Now, player getting underneath it, and down it goes.
Nice and cool when we take this, as if it's nice and easy.
79, 21 runs away from back-to-back hundreds. And that is what he's been searching for quite some time.
You beauty.
Oh, he's found it again. Look out. Look out, India. Out. Straight to extra cover. Oh, that's a good shot. He saw that nice and early. He read his mind. He was in great position and he didn't disappoint. Now then, has he got enough? Yes, he has. Yes, he has. They'll run two here. It might even go for four. It does, and Taylor has done it again. He's joined a very, very elite club. That is number 10.
5 for New Zealand.
I think this is high. He could be out this time. He might well be out. Will India hold this one? Yes, they do. Oh, that's a beautiful shot. It wasn't that bad a ball. Terrific early in your innings. That's not bad either, is it? Oh, that's 6. Oh, 6.
Idea.
Oh, that's loose as well. Now New Zealand will get 300 if this continues with ease. 296 now. Oh yes, that sounded good. Really did, and up comes the 300 again. New Zealand's consistency in this series with the bat has been simply sensational. Last ball. And it's a dot. Bronchi runs a cheeky by.
India will require, if they're to get a win in this series, 304 runs at a tick over 6 per over.
Ball just doing a little bit. Edge and taken. No, he's not sure. Nathan McCullum, he's not sure.
Nathan McCullum didn't know. Yeah, it's definitely bounced in front.
Edge. And this one is taken. That's beautifully played, and that'll be the first boundary. Nicely timed.
Oh, what a shot that is. Well, Virat Kohli had a look at a couple into the pitch and off the bat in no time. Edge, and yes, indeed, straight into the hands of Nathan McCullum.
I can't believe it's gone in.
Not in control of that. Virat Kohli. Oh, he's gone. Maybe. No, Guptill says no. Gee, I thought it might have carried naked eye. Oh, that's close. Boy, that's close, yes. Wow. Double strike for Matt Henry. The game's easy.
Good shot, lovely shot. Just got himself a half volley. Oh, he just straight down leg side here, and it'll be 4 runs.
Oh, lovely shot.
That is a beautiful shot. That'll go all the way. Nice shot again. Effortless, really. Oh, that's well played. That's going to go to the boundary.
Oh, in the air, he's used his feet, Kohli. How much of this has he got? He's got all of it, has he? Good blow. That's good cricket. Follow up the boundary with a single.
pace, and for exactly that reason. It's nicely played. Got that one away. Through to the gap and off to the boundary.
Should go through to the fence. It will. Even McClenaghan's dive can't cut it off. And Virat Kohli has 50. Oh, he's launched here. Got plenty of that. Oh, just short. Just short. Oh, in the air, but got the placement perfect. It was a very catchable height. That's 6. Gone a long way back, that, really. Long way back.
The class act. It's the sound, and it's out. It's the sub-fielder. He's got it. What a moment. What a moment for the young fella. It's Kohli. It's a huge wicket, and it makes things that much dire for the Indians.
Helped it on its way, and that's on its way to the fence. I don't know whether it quite carried, did it?
Looking at Brendan McCullum, I think it's about 6 inches off the ground when it gets to him. Let's have a look.
Oh, yeah. Well, he might have got a fingertip to him himself, the bowler. And, oh, what a great effort.
The afterburners go on about there, and then the dive. Oh, I tell you what, that might be brilliant. That might well have saved his side a run or two.
Now Williamson. Now that's a lovely shot. That's a nice shot, and that's gone to the boundary. Bowled him, stepped away, and Williamson bowls him, so Ashwin goes. Well, he's come after him, and he smacked it away, and a scramble. Oh, he's lost it. Here he comes again, and Guptill has got it.
There's no timing here. This will be out as well. The captain will go. Yes. This should be out. Oh, just over the top. Timed a little bit, and I thought, and we'll get 4. Oh, he's got that beautifully. Miles back. Oh, surely this has got to go to hand. It's the young man again. Oh, he's put it down. No. Straight up again now. Who's going to have this? Ronke, surely. It is 4 for Henry. And that's it. The bottom of middle stump. Jimmy Neesham finally has something to smile about tonight. Right on the money. And the perfect delivery to end the perfect victory and the perfect series. Well done, those men in black. Outstanding.